Hi, I'm Liz Leving, and I wanted to come to the workshop today to have some kind of breakthrough in my life. And I was expecting something, but I wasn't sure what to get. And after today, it's just like my life has changed in less than 7 hours. It's just amazing the way that Lynn teaches us about the brain and our thoughts and our feelings and how it all affects our life, our present life. And I just recommend this workshop. I recommend Lynn for anything. She is just the greatest. And I will forever look back on this day, because this day has given me, I'm gonna cry. This day has given me even more confidence, knowing what my core true identity is, and I just feel more whole for some reason. And I just loved all the exercises she's given us, and she speaks with love, and she is, I don't know how, I have so many qualities I could say about Lynn, and I've never met her before. It was just my first time. And if you want a breakthrough in your life or in your business, come to this workshop. Thank you.